In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repost a story on Instagram. Okay, so there are a couple of ways that you can do this. The first way, if you go to your love heart icon in the top right, the notifications, if someone's mentioned you in a story, you can click on it. Then you can click add to your story. You can then enlarge it if you want. And you can then click your stories in the bottom left-hand corner, and that will post your story that you're mentioned in to your story. Now, if you haven't been mentioned in a story, you can't really go and share somebody else's story to your story. If I just click on my friend's story here is his story. There is no button to actually share it and save it to my own story, and screenshotting it and putting it on my story is kind of stealing the content, so I can't recommend you do that. If you want to share a story that you've already posted in the past, go to your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner, then click on the three lines in the top right, then go to archive. Here you'll see all of your stories archive. You can then go ahead and choose any story that you want to reshare. So once you've clicked on your story, you can then go ahead and click share, and then it will share to your story. And here you can again enlarge it and click share to your stories in the bottom left. So that's how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.